Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Hope everybody's really well. Been a while since I've spoken to you all. Last couple of videos I did without voice because I had a sore throat, a bit of runny nose, yuck. You know, nothing worse than that at the end of winter because we're coming into summer now. But anyway, let's get on with it. Tonight I'm going to be making chicken pad see, which is a Thai recipe, and it includes rice noodles, lovely boiled rice noodles, and we have very thinly sliced chicken breast. I have Chinese broccoli and bok choy, washed very well and thinly sliced. I've got crushed garlic. I've got a gorgeous sauce here that's made primarily with sweet soy and oyster and fish sauce and other things, other condiments. It'll be put down in the box below, and some beaten eggs. Very simple, very easy to make, quite nutritious and satisfying. So let's, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, let's get ahead and scramble the egg first and foremost. Now this basically is scrambled, and then you can add it to your noodles and your chicken and your vegetables after. You know, towards the end, after you've added the sauce and everything. So just lightly scramble the egg. Easy as that, really. Start off with the garlic. Just get it nice and aromatic. Don't want to burn that ever. It'll spoil your dishes. Okay, that's enough. Smell it. Adding all the lovely chicken. Now this must be very thinly sliced. Now there's no need to add salt because the sauces are quite salty themselves. So just keep stirring this until it's cooked. I'm going to add my lovely veg. Give them a good whirl. We'll get on and start cooking the noodles, and they only need to cook for about 8 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes. I've added the noodles, and now I'm going to add the sauce. Give it a really good stir. All those lovely flavours combining. here to add. that's basically it. Now all I've got to do is just add in this crumbled egg and just mix it through. It's a lovely, hearty, easy prepared meal. It's very nutritious, tasty. Family will love it. Chicken pad see ew.